going to hang a clock, and I can't lift this clock up to show you the whole thing because it's kind of heavy. But because it is heavy, I am going to be using 3/16 toggle bolts. And I am going to show you how to put them in the wall. Today you're going to help me install a clock on my wall. And because it is so heavy, and there's no way that I can show you how heavy this is, it's actually something that my husband had to hold up to the wall so I could get the accurate measurements. But because it's so heavy, we're going to be using the 3/16 inch toggle bolts from Toggler. I use these on my bathroom fireplace. I'll be using them on my bedroom fireplace, and these are really good. So I'm going to show you. Comes with a screw, and it comes like this. And this right here is the part that's going to go on the wall, and we're going to put it in the wall. This here, it'll go in the wall like this. Then it'll come out like this. As I pull this, I'll pull it up towards the drywall. And then this right here, I'll be able to maneuver this to be able to break these two pieces off. And this little piece right here will go and be slid right onto this side of the wall. They do make a pretty big hole. As you can see, the hole is going to be at least that wide right there. First thing that you want to do is accurately measure, and I'm going to be putting the hole right here. It's going to be a pretty big hole and probably make a nice little mess. So let's move this clock a little bit over. She is pretty heavy. And let's see if we can make a mess, right? All right. Oh, guess there's one. All right, the hole is big enough. This. Okay, we're going to take this portion right here. This is going to go into the wall like so. You just push it in. And then you're going to make these even. So we're going to make this even, and what that did is it made the brass part from here to here. Now I can take this and bring it up against the drywall on the other side of the wall, and I just pull, right? Then I take this plastic piece right here and I push it towards the wall, like that. And it'll go right in that little hole. Okay, now that this is sitting against the wall, I can take these two pieces here apart. One slides down out of the other, and now they're separate. And then I can bend them up, and it'll break off. I bend it down, it breaks off. I can put the screw in now. But what it'll also do is it'll bring that other piece and it'll fix it a little bit more onto the drywall. So, and yes, it is quite heavy. Let's hope I left it out far enough. Here we go. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching all of my videos. I really do appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, if you could hit that subscribe button down below there and also give me a thumbs up, that too will help out the channel a lot. I really appreciate again your time, and I'll see you on the next video.